So in this video I will show you how you can fix your mic or voice chat not working in Overwatch 2 on PS5. It's quite easy and simple, and let me show how. So first, of course, you need to load up your game, and then you should see a similar window like I'm seeing here right now. And then you need to go on the menu that is on the bottom right corner. For me, I'm using controller, so I need to just press options button, and then I need to go on options, and then you need to go on sound, press R1 for one time, and then R2 until you be on the voice chat, and make sure voice chat volume is quite high. For me, 80 is working, and voice chat mic volume is also quite high, so you can modify here these two options. And then on the channel, make sure that group chat, voice chat is on, and team voice chat also on as well, match voice chat also on. And here for me is working voice chat mode. I always using open mic, because basically when I'm in the game and start talking, my voice picks up and team will hear me. But also, if you want to, you can basically set up push to talk and keybind some sort of key to use it. But for me, it's more convenient way to use basically open mic, right? And of course, make sure that your mic is not muted on PS5 and you're using the right headset, right? So that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.